Yes, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to trade stocks on your mobile device. Alright. Now, trading has never been more accessible than it is today. With just a smartphone and the right application, you can access the stock market, analyze your charts, and place trades from anywhere. Whether you are at home, at work, or even traveling, your phone can act as your trading station. So we're just going to be starting with the basics. Alright. The first step in trading stocks on mobile is choosing the right trading app. Now, there are many available, some offered by brokers, others are standalone platforms. But in this video, we are going to be using the MetaTrader 5 application. Okay. So if you want to download the MetaTrader 5 application, of course you just have to go to your app store if you're using an iPhone, or you go to the Google Play Store if you were using an Android. Okay, so just search for MetaTrader, right? Then you can just download the app. Okay, I already have the app downloaded, so I'm just gonna update it instead. Alright, now even if you are not a fan of MetaTrader 5, which is depends on you. Actually, you can use any other application that you feel is user friendly, secure, and provides real-time data. Okay, so every trader have their preferences, right? But most apps will let you download them directly from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. Okay, before downloading, ensure to check the reviews, the ratings and features to ensure that it meets your needs. All right, so I'm going with the MetaTrader 5. Okay, so once you've chosen your app, you set up your app, you set up your account. If you do not have an account, you need to register with a broker, right? And then once you're done registering, you verify your identity and all of that. Okay, once you're settled with the broker, then you just have to come in here and you add your login details. Like, you log into your account on the MetaTrader 5 app. Okay, so here if you click on this plus sign, you just search for the broker. Once you search for the broker, then you add in your login, your password and all of that, and then you log in. Okay, so once you're done with that, so here we are, right? So once you're done with that, is the next thing is to explore the platform, right? The process is usually straightforward, but it's important to double check security features. Since you're trading with real money, you want your funds to be and your account to be protected, right? But before you even start trading with real money, I would advise that you at least practice on the demo account. As you can see, this is a demo account, right? So now we want to add stocks, to be specific, because it's stocks that we're talking about. All right, so you want to add the particular stocks that you want to trade, right? So it depends on the stocks that is offered by your broker. You can see I just come to stocks. Okay, and I'm just going to let's just add some stocks from the NYS. Okay, so let's add Alibaba, for example. Let's add Bank of America, for example, right? So whatever you add, you're going to see appear here on your quotes. Okay, now let's talk about okay, now what are the things that are going to determine the particular stocks that you're going to add to your watch list? You can add companies that you are interested in and monitor their price movements. So mobile platforms like MT5 includes your charting tools, indicators, basic analysis options, right? Even though the screen is smaller compared to a desktop, these apps are designed to make analysis simple and efficient. So let's just go into the Alibaba chart. All right, so when you want to buy or sell a stock, you usually see several options, right? For example, you can just tap on it, click on new order, and you're going to see market execution. You're going to see buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, and sell stop limit. Okay, so if you want to enter a trade instantly, you use market execution. If you want to set, a pending order, perhaps you're expecting price to go down, maybe you're expecting price to come down and then get to a particular perhaps demand zone and then rally back up, you can just use the buy limit option. Another way to easily set your limit is to use this button here. All right, you can just select where the buy limit will be, set your stop loss appropriately, set your take profit appropriately. You click on this button and then you place the trade. Okay, so it's super easy. Then the sell limit is the reverse. If you're expecting price to perhaps get to a particular supply zone and then come down afterwards, you can just set your sell limit, set your stop loss, and your take profit appropriately, and then of course you place the trade. So it's super easy. Okay, now make sure that you always have a strong internet connection, because your dropped signal during a trade can cause delays and missed opportunities. Also, consider using a Wi-Fi whenever possible, since it's often more stable than mobile data, and practice with a demo account if your app provides one. Okay, this lets you test the platform and trading features without any risk. All right, and then you will notice that let's go to the trading tools. You will notice that MT5 has several trading tools, both for trend lines, horizontal support and resistance zones, and even the Fibonacci retracement, amongst others, right? So this is going to help you with your technical analysis. All right, so basically, once you're done with your analysis, you place your trade accordingly, and here is where you can monitor your trades. If you want to close your trade or modify a trade, you do that on the trades tab. Then on the history tab is where you see past trades, right? That's where you see past trades, on the history tab. Okay, so if you are a trader that likes to trade both currency pairs and stocks and the rest of them, you can just register with a broker, and on your quote list, after you log in your account to MT5, on your quote list you can add the currency pairs that you're interested in, and also add the stocks that you're interested in. So whenever you want to trade a stock, you just simply come there, you do your analysis, then you place your order respectively, monitor your trades accordingly. All right, so by now you should have an understanding of how to trade stocks, just basic understanding, right? How to trade stocks on mobile. Okay, from choosing the right app, make sure that you are using an app that has good reviews. Okay, even if you don't want to use MT5, although I feel MT5 is okay, MetaTrader 5, right? Even if you don't want to use MetaTrader 5, just make sure you're using an app that is good, right, and has features that you need. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials on trading and market education. Also, share this video with anyone who's interested in learning stock trading on their phone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.